Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you the best Wix website designs, your complete website design solution. With Wix intuitive technology and powerful built-in features, you will have the creative freedom to design a website you are proud of. Discover the best ways to design your website. Wix Editor. Get complete design freedom with the editor. Drag and drop technology lets you move things around your site however you would like. Every design element is customizable. Resize, recolor, rotate, and align elements to make it look just right. Then choose from thousands of initiative tools and built-in features to create a professional web presence. Create a beautifully designed website in no time with Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence. Just answer a few questions and you'll get a fully designed site with content and image built in. Make it your own by choosing a design theme and custom color palette that fits the look you are going for. You can always upload your own images and content to match your brand. Set yourself up for success. Wix employers Wix implies you to bring your idea to life. With our all-inclusive web builder, you can design, manage, and grow your online presence all from one platform. Professional features, design elements, advanced functionality, built-in tools, marketing and SEO, mobile experience. Add all the features you need. With Wix, you can create the exact web experience you need. Add as many features as you wish without any limitations. Online store, portfolio blogs, online scheduling, events, restaurants. Grab the attention of your visitors with a unique design. Explore our massive suite of design features and rich libraries of free visual content. They are all customizable to make your site look just right. Choose from custom color palettes and expensive font selection. Add more advanced design features and innovative transparent videos, custom animations, and vector art. You can even upload any file. That way your website look exactly the way you want. Add code for more advanced functionality. With Velo by Wix, you can build advanced web applications your way. Make your site more dynamic using serverless computing on our open dev platform. Create custom interactions and functionality for your project with JavaScript and Wix. Integrate with third-party services, connect to internal or external databases, and create thousands of pages from a single dynamic page layout. Built-in tools for your peace of mind. Wix offers a wide range of built-in components to help build your online presence hassle-free. Stay protected with SSL website security, two-step verification, and 24/7 website security monitoring. Get up to 50 GB of cloud storage bandwidth plans of 1 GB to unlimited plus secure and reliable web hosting for your website. Add built-in accessibility tools like keyboard, navigation, and alt text to make your site accessible for everyone around the world. Drive more traffic to your website. Get all the marketing solutions and interactions you need to promote your website and get more eye on your site. Email marketing, marketing integrations, video makers, social posts, SEO tools, analytics. Make sure your site looks amazing on mobile. Ensuring your site looks great on mobile with a Wix mobile editor. Add a dedicated welcome screen. Choose from beautifully designed layouts and use built-in features to enhance your site on mobile. You can also manage your site and interact with your visitors on the go with the Wix On app. Read the experts' take on web designs, how to design a website, how to create ideas, 2022 web design trends. Get started with the designer mode template. Let inspiration fuel your activity. Design a professional website today. First of all, click on the start now. It will take some time for loading. Okay. Wow. No, this is the interface. First of all, put your email here. Write your email again. .934 gmail.com. Then write the password. I am yours 934 at the rate gmail.com. And the rate is missing. Okay, it's all right now. Write the password again. Click on sign up. It will redirect to the page of the Wix website. Just a little wait. Okay, my internet is a little bit slow. Loading. I think my internet is wow slow. Let's bring your ideas to life. Let's start. I think my internet is slow now. So guys, the further part of this video will be continued in the next video. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and be part of the conversation. Bye bye.